Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to find psychology materials. So from the Columbus State University main page, you'll go to Academics, Libraries, and then this is our library homepage. You can run a search here in the Discover box and find psychology materials, but if you want to drill down further and get more narrow in scope to just psychology materials, you should go to Resources, and then Galileo databases. And then again, you can do a discover search here as well. Or you can search databases by subject. If you know the name of your database, you could pop it right in this box. I'm going to search for PsycInfo, which is the gold standard psychology database. Since I know the name, I typed it in this box. Click search. There's the link to it. Click on the link and it should get us to this page. Now another trick I like to do when I'm looking for doing research for people is once I get into a subject specific database, you can broaden it just a little bit but not too much by clicking choose databases by subject here once you're inside of PsycInfo. So you click that and then look for psychology, sociology databases, and then click OK. And then, if you want to see what you're searching in, you click Show All, and this actually will simultaneously search all of the databases that are psychology related. So then we can click Show Less to get rid of that, and then we can run a search. So we can look for college students and resilience. Oh, I did a search already. There it is, resilience. You have to spell it right. Okay, college students and resilience. And because I didn't check the full text box, you will get citations that are not completely full text. Some might have the full text hidden under this purple Find It button, and some don't. If you want just full text, you just click the box Limit to Full Text, and then everything should have a link to the full text link, either PDF or HTML. Along the left side here, one of the ways that is a kind of a cool feature that you can limit to is methodology. Because sometimes your professor wants you to look for quantitative studies or qualitative studies or empirical studies. So here, when you run your search, you can limit things on the left, look for methodology, and then you can pull out just the empirical studies. Just makes it pretty easy to find, to drill down to those. Another limiter a lot of people use is language. If you want to just see the English or Spanish or one of these other languages, you could narrow to a language. And if your professor is asking you to just look for peer-reviewed items, you could just do academic journals versus magazines, which are more like trade type journals. And it does default to what it thinks is the most relevant, but you can change it to the newest on the top or the oldest on the top. And then we can click on one of these. This is the abstract page. The link, the full text link is on your left, and you'll see the abstract. And you'll also see the journal, the article title, the journal title with the date and page numbers usually, um, and then keywords, and then subjects. And these subject terms can sometimes give you different ideas to go back and run your search again. Like we did resilience, but here it says resilience psychological, and we might try that to pinpoint to make your search more relevant. The other thing that's important on this page is on the right. You can add these to a folder and then email the folder to yourself. You can upload them to your Google Drive. You can see your citation here under this Cite button. And here's the APA. And you can always copy it and put it into a document to get your citation. But always remember that it may not be perfect. Make sure that you check it. Go to the Writing Center, check the OWL at Purdue APA help, to make sure that everything's correct, because these are computer generated and a lot of times they will have bugs and have strange periods and commas where they shouldn't be. Okay, we're going to go back to the result list. And this was a search to find PsycInfo and the other psychology databases.